Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KERX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice day. I don't think anybody can sit around and argue and say, no, today wasn't a good day. Everybody would agree, good, solid day for the bulls. But that does lead to the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, like I said, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And to me, it's all centered around a single level, and that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is down here at the $5 mark. Why is $5 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $5. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it's already been. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows, and then you'd have that set down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps that are continuing to progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. So to me, $5, very, very important level of support. Ideally speaking, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can hold up above the $5.20 mark, that would definitely make the chart look the most powerful. But if the price does drop below $5.20, I'm not saying everything's ruined or anything like that, because the bulls would still technically have an opportunity to make progress. And again, I'm defining quote unquote make progress as staying up above 5. Now, what about levels of resistance? So for this, I'm going to scrunch up the chart a tad bit more just to make sure that I'm not missing anything. So right about there. Nope, not quite there. So about $5.65 is the next level of resistance. This was a former area of support, and then it was broken right there. And a foundational principle in charting is when levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance. And you can see on the bounce there, perfect example of a support turn into a resistance. So 565, definitely the next key level from technical perspective. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.